Hello. Today I'll show you how to remove and replace old, damaged earpads cushions cheaply and quickly for any Beats Studio headphones. These are very popular Beats wireless headphones. This tutorial can be used for all Beats Studio headphones, Studio One, Studio 2 and the newest Beats Studio 3 headphone model. As you can see, the existing earpads are completely dead. If I put these headphones on my head, my friends will think I have hair dandruff. Before you take off the old, dead earpads, order new replacement earpad cushion on eBay, Aliexpress or Amazon. Links will be in the video description. Removing old earpads is very easy. Take a butter knife or flat screwdriver and put it between the base of the earpad and the body of the headphones, and slowly try open the earpad. They are glued. But be careful not to stick the sharp end of the knife or screwdriver in the speaker, because then the speaker will be dead. Once you've got a bigger gap, you can use your fingers to pull the earpad all the way off. Remove all the old glue, as the surface must be smooth and clean to glue the new earpad cushion. Then take the new earpad, the one with the flat base. This earpad is made for the 3.5mm socket side. The earpads are centered with these two plastic pins. The seam of the earpad's cushion should be on the bottom of the headphones. Remove the adhesive protective paper and put the earpad on top. Try to place it on the two pins. When you have successfully done this, press earpad down to make it glued. I think you can see the difference. Now do the same for the other side. Remove the old earpad, just don't damage the speaker. Clean the base. Remove the adhesive paper from the new earpad. And put the earpad on top. Try to put it on both pins. Once you have done that, press it down firmly so it sticks. That's it. Looks great, like new. Saved money by not having to buy new headphones and can enjoy music again. As always, I'll be glad to hear from you by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, to meet you in other useful headphone repair and money-saving videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Long life to your restored headphones.